Welcome to RaCo Woodworking. Today we're going to be building this beautiful leaning ladder shelf. That's coming up next. So the first thing we got to do is cut all of our boards to the length we want. I had a piece of 1x12 by 6 feet line. So I cut them off at 3 pieces at 2 feet, and then I'm going to use the table saw to rip down the size that I need for my shelves. So I'm going to have one shelf at 10 inches wide, one at 8 inches wide, and one at 6 inches wide. And after we get all of our shelves cut, then we're going to cut our lengths that we need with our 1x4. So we need 3 pieces that's 2 feet long for the back. And then we need 2 pieces that's 10 inch for the 10 inch shelf, 2 pieces at 8 inch for the 8 inch shelf, and 2 pieces that's 6 inch for the 6 inch shelf. For each 12 inch piece that I have for my shelf, I'm going to rip it down on the table saw to get the width that I want. So one at 10, one at 8, and one at 6. Now we're going to cut the 2 side rails. So we're going to make them 6 feet long, so 72 inches. And we're going to cut a 10-degree angle on the bottom and a 10-degree angle on the top so it leans towards the wall. Now we're going to cut an angle off that lays against the wall. So on the top piece of the rails, I'm just going to mark out 6 inches with the square. So it's flush along the top, which should give me the right angle to go flat on the wall. So the next thing we got to do is glue and nail all of our boards on. So we got our 6 inch piece shelf with a 24 inch 1x4 along the back and 2 pieces of 1x4 by 6 3/4 for the sides. The same thing for the 8 inch. We got a 24 on the back and a 2 8 3/4 for the sides. For the 10 inch, we got 24 inch for the back and 2 10 3/4 for the sides. our next step is to screw our shelves onto our legs. So I got a spacer down the bottom, which is the same width as the shelf, so it's 25.5 inches. And I got a block measured where I want each shelf and clamped down. So I'm going to put my shelves at 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet. So I'm just going to pre-drill a couple holes and then put a couple screws in each side. Now the only thing left to do is stain it and place it in the bathroom. So here's the completed project. It's not that difficult to make. It's basically just 3 shelves attached to 2 legs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and hit the like button below.